Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Alloyman. This is their cordless leaf blower. We're going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys what you get, and then we're going to test it to see how well it performs. So this is what comes inside the package. You have your 2-bay charger. This is what the unit looks like. It's actually pretty cool that you got this transparent little inside. You can kind of see the turbine in there. That's pretty cool, or it looks like a turbine anyway. You get your manual and 2 batteries. Batteries just slide in like this. Now I don't think, yeah, so it does not work unless you have both batteries inside. So you must use both batteries for the unit to work, and you can check your battery levels by pressing the button here. Wow, that feels like it's got some power. Let's test this out. This thing really feels like got some power. So overall, this thing packs a punch. It definitely does a good job. So once the leaves turn and it becomes fall, we're going to be able to get rid of those leaves quick and easy.